up, it's the secret sauce. And that is, what's something that you feel like you're doing that other owners can implement into their business to help them level up, help them get up there to the next level with their business?
It's definitely just make sure you're doing all the digital marketing basics. And digital marketing basics are essentially having a website that is, performing well, that loads quickly, that is really clear and talks about the service you provide and gives all the customer information that the customer would want. And also making sure that your business or Google My Business profile, or Google Business Profile, whatever they're calling it these days, is complete and up to date so that people can find you.
Yeah. And this is not like I'm not trying to to promote myself or anything, but we did just launch a free course on how to build your own website. So obviously you can hire somebody to build that website for you if that's not your thing. But I also did a full course on, it's just a one lesson course on how to build your own website on a WordPress site from scratch. And it even comes with a template that you can start with that makes it real easy to get going. And I walk you through everything from how to get it, how to buy the domain, how to register it, all that stuff, setting everything up. So if that's something you're interested in doing, and there's other videos out there you can find too. So, but just wanted to point that out, that there's a template you can download and just a one lesson course on how to build your own website if you want to. Awesome secret sauce. Get that from the digital marketer. Get your digital marketing in line. Cracking the whip. I like it.